we finished installing the manure scraper, but this place there is a little challenge on light. There is light issue, so we've not been able to run the testing. So the generator is on its way coming. But before that, we want to just give you a rundown of how the machine works. This is a manure scraper machine itself. You can see it. This is the manure scraper machine itself. This is the rope. It has been passed through a pulley. These are two blades, one pulley, two pulley. The machine itself, the control panel. On the control panel, when you turn on your generator, this place has a key, but they've taken out the key. When you turn on your generator, what you just do is you come to this place. You ensure you don't touch any of the electrical appliances here. You turn it on here. There is an on here. When you turn it on, did you catch that? Did you see that? When you turn it on here, it's like this. You turn it on here. This control panel is powered. You close it up and you lock it up. Then, if you want to start the machine, you click on this button here. The machine or the blade will start turning as it goes in through and fro direction. When this blade is moving down, the other one, this one here, will start coming back. So when this one is going this way, this one will be coming this way. This is a twine rope. It has been connected. There's another pulley the other side. Come, let me show you. You can see the blade. When the blade is coming back, the blade turns up. Come close and see what I'm saying. This is the blade. When it's going back, because this thing is coming from this side, the blade is scraping down the dungs from the higher frequency, descending down to this area. That is why each time I tell you, whenever you want to do your manure pit, let it slope. You can see from that place, we have a minimum of 2 coaches there, and it flushes down to this place with 4 coaches. It flushes down to this place with 4 coaches. So the fluff system is sloped down. As for people that some clients calling me on the sloping down of the manure scraper, you see how it flows down to this place. This will enable the dunks to flow down. As the scraper is scraping it down, the dunk easily flows down to the sewage channel, or your soccer pit, or your sewage tank, depending on what you want to call it. It flows down to your sewage channel. So as it's coming down this way, this blade you see here turns this way and starts scraping the floor to pass the dunks to the exit point. But when it's going back, you see this blade, it turns up, it goes back to that place. That is the mechanism of which it's going. And secondly, it has this is the foreign one. The foreign one has tires rolling up and down. For this one, you see this tire. This is to enable you to move on the cemented floor. This one is helping it to roll from the wall. Should in case it goes close to the wall, it's going to this tire here helps it to roll. It's in the other direction. Is here. Is also here. You can see that. This will enable you to roll on the wall. It's also enable you to roll on the floor. So it moves through and through, flowing down to this area. So this is the mechanism on the manure scraper, and this manure scraper is on 2 rows. I hope you're getting what I'm saying. It's on 2 rows. So that is how the mechanism works. Then on the tying of the twine rope. After tying the twine rope very well, you use binding wire to hold it up, to make it to be firm. You hold it here, you hold it there. So as the thing is going up and down, that is how it works. This is a manure scraper blade on the 2 row. You can see this one, you can see the other one. So if this one is coming this way, the other one will be going the other way. So that is how the manure scraper works. I believe I've also shown you how it is operated from the control panel. Let me show you again. This is the control panel. As I said before, when you turn it, or you want to turn, when there is power, you turn it on, it's done. Ensure it doesn't touch. It has a key here. You open and it enables you to open well. You If it turns on, you raise this power button up. Just raise it up, you turn, you close it, you lock it up, then you turn on this. As soon as you press this button, the manure scraper will start going forward. When it gets to the end, you press this to stop it. You press this to stop it, it stops the machine. You press this one, it starts coming back. It either goes through and through. If it's going this way, it goes to the other place. When it's getting to the ending, you press stop to it. You press this one, it start coming back. So that is the through and fro movement of the manure scraper. The manure scraper actually is used to clear up poultry dungs from your pit, depending on how big your pit is. But no matter how big your pit is, it is adjustable because our manure scraper is 2.2, 2.4 meter. So depending on the battery cage you're using, there are some that has 2.2, there are some that has 2 meter, there are some that has 1.8. No matter the length of your manure, your pit, your manure scraper can be adjusted to suit what you have, depending on the cage you're buying. So this manure scraper has been adjusted to size, and everything is on the place. It's for them to test run it. As soon as the generator comes in, the manure scraper will be test run. So this is the A to Z of our manure scraper. You can still watch through our YouTube channel should in case there's anything you want to know about it. There are a lot of information on manure scraper we've already done. We have the motor. You can see the motor, the engine. There's a pulley system through and through on a tube road. So these are all about the manure scraper, and we have finished installing. Currently, we'll be leaving the site on this moment. If Thank you once again for choosing Chris from Nigeria. Always know that your satisfaction is our ultimate desire. Thank you, and do have a blessed day.